Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. It's a very simple video, probably. I've never done it myself before, and you probably haven't done it either. That's why you're watching the video, or you may have done it and just thought, what sort of idiot doesn't know how to change a visor on a helmet? But this is what it is. So I have just arrived from Infinity Motorcycles. I've got myself a light smoke visor for my Shoei. Yeah? So I'm going to replace it for the original one. So let's get the original one from over here by my motorcycle and see how easy it is to replace. So let's put it on first so we can have a look and see what it looks like with the clear one on. So this is me with my clear helmet on. Yeah, that's that one. It looks alright. And now we get, probably talking and you can't hear me. I've got one of these as well, which my brother and me have got intercoms, which are actually really good. But the mic gets caught. It's a bit annoying. So yeah, so this is it. This is the visor. So this is Shoei NXR. And the visor's in NXR CRW or something like that. CW1, that's it, CW1. So, I think, if I remember correctly from someone told me, how do I get it out? Ah! There's a tab. There's a tab right there. Apparently if I pull that, maybe pull that one there, it might come off. Let's give it a go. Alright, do this side first. Yeah. Oh, that was pretty easy. Apparently this is how you do it to like clean them as well. Didn't even know that. Never cleaned it before. So yeah, so it's definitely, I'll show you the two. Leave that on my car. So here we have the clear and then the tint one. So it definitely is tinted, a little bit of tint. I was going to go dark tint originally, but then I saw it said it's for competition race only. And I was like, we're not doing that. Right, so what did we do? We pulled that back, didn't we? And now we're going to probably pull that back again. Yeah, that was easy. Pull that little tab back. Yes! Wow. Look at that now. Pretty cool. Liking it. Fingerprints already on the front. So let's put it on and see what it looks like now. Does it look any different to you guys? It does look a little bit darker, doesn't it? I'll tell you what, it is nice the fact it's actually clean. If I'd have known that, I would have took that off a long time ago. If anyone actually knows what pin lock, what that even means, or what the point of it is, leave it in the comments below, just so help me out and work it out. Stuck, hold on. Fold the ears. There we go. So that is our nice new helmet with our lightly smoked visor on it. It is actually looking pretty good when it comes to giving it some like sun reflection, because when I was travelling out going to Romford and back every day, where I live in Cambridge, I had to go from east to west, and obviously the sun rises in the east, so it was directly in my face. So hopefully this is going to help me and give me a little bit of sun glare from that one. But just a little quick one for all you people who didn't know. I'm probably the only person in the world who didn't know, but on the Shoei helmet, right there, is a catch, and you lever it back. That's how you take it off. Apparently that's how you clean it as well. I did not know. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.